in here we are going to discuss about another most easy Photoshop tool that's we call the clone stamp. Clone means simply copy. Yes, how we get the copies. Go to the file and open. I want to open the new file. What's this one? Yes, that's better. There's some kind of white zone. I want to get the set of copies of the white zone. Simply, my idea is get the rectangular marquee and select it, go to the edit, copy and edit, paste, and then using the move tool and click on the layer which contain the new zone and then move it. But unfortunately anyone can see there's some kind of edited one. This is the edited one. That's not the good method. Therefore I'm going to remove this layer one, right click and delete it. And how we get the actual copy of this zone, you can use the, I think it's under the brush tool, clone stamp tool, or we call simply as a clone tool. How it's work, click on the clone tool, and normally in a computer you have to click on the Alt key because you want to get the copy area, you want to get the copy some area. Here when I click some area, this is the error message. Select the clone, hold in the Alt key or K, click on the image. That's in who are using smartphone and they doesn't have the Alt key, then you can press and hold the K, or you can click on this one, LT. Then your mouse point changes the target mark. Then click on the area. Now the zone comes on your mouse point. Go to the most suitable area which you want to draw on the zone and easily draw the zone in this area simply. I think it's a little bit trouble and you can do some kind of changes. Opacity, mode, mix. I think it's better. You can reduce the hardness. That's better. Reduce the hardness of the clone stamp tool. Now you can get the clear idea. Okay, that's better. That's more better. If you want to draw another zone, normally in here it's okay, but if you're using the online, if you're in the simple Photoshop, again you can press on the Alt key somewhere in the zone and comes to some area in the pond and draw the zone again. Right, okay. You can draw any number of zones using this method. We call this is simply copy and paste, but the tool is clone stamps. It's available under the brush tool in online compiler or online Photoshop. Okay, do it in yourself.